Léir Kildare gomas a rain hain bín or a chléir intrum cai cíise hin. Ag an deir seachtainna thug na champíní carn Joseph Iconacha aigur champín na hair an fefe cahar an Clár. Cunas mar bhach có agus céinsor teancr bhach na clí seo ar rain hain bí ar an Clár agus a bhachtas a gréibh na mún i tosnú i míomhrán. Má dar mátanacha a hamon trátrúta.
Ar nói bhí anmhua Kildare na intrum na glyfa dearnach forward na nimmer céine dul chun páirc go an seo. Tá 8 nás na rí ina meas na trúr de thurcha bóran. Agus dámte lánthosach Morris Curtin is ach an bhóra ráchúil a gonne intrama. Jummer 8 difteolas a glár glyfa caniste héir an fix a cahar. Lína díruch ríd lár na fórne ó lánchúla Conor Cleary tús go fadars lánthosach Tony Kelly. Thosach go gintró bua an seo an áid slifa canis. Drochaí an seo. Strahad nua mar tá go lóráitir fu na tíir seo an rúthir Joyce Simon Lacey. Fosig Simon. David Qualter Brother is Brook, so she puts all the David Qualter, agus tá na fórne carm. Fantastic David Qualter. As the moon guy the Vernoy. Just the John Fogel Contablina is in Shelley Forza, Jack Sheridan, Jack on Austery, Richard Jess Shockington, Coolbury, Eamon Foodie, Tata Mach. There's a Cormach and past Lava, because it's fast to try go Conor Lean. Tá útamáil siúla teo chun na chlár, go dtífann tá útamáil genta agus ónta chantar cóil agus an cóil scóir sa cáil be céim while bruntan is a bhí an sin ó chosandóirí a chlár. Tú na ceire dheis í glan a níor glan do ré, díocha do ras. Féin muín is ceann Jacket is feibanna is tá na dúláin is mód fin sa banistíoch Kildare an tionar vín gimar sa naile héidí a chlár. Agus Black Clears each and ach mar sin gine intimate thoshi dan an immer timmer ma so glúise an Jason Chen catch up David Qualter. Chapter Johannes and pass across with Jack Sheridan the chance Jack Sheridan now Ben glúise agus cold and sco an dar cold scoring to Aka. Agus thoshi dimi chun Kane and Johan pass Jerry Keegan Sraith Nick Sheridan. Johannes, like Tony Kelly, Brando Oris Brook, August Tony Kelly, put our trust on, Kecha Minix and right time for Versa. Tier, Justin Thorpe, well, Kenchi White, Potarash Tony Kelly, first I can't have no in, and Darican watching Tony Kelly in it, Clár, Chapney Skurra. Shop puts Tony Kelly go skipway like a German stretch because she forces stretch pulls it in Tavelina Sinear fantastic German stretch on score. The old tackle of the answer can't Rashtin Coolbar Tony McKenna can fad the school to Shisiger and Thief Kena Snell for Rashtin John Conlon Slownichi or Imora Clár. What's Johnny Simon Lacey third five agus Lacey a ball a Trasman. Kildare post con Kane and Joe. So we gave a position of German stretch. Can more ord put the shot again. After she fought her rash. Custom door claw while V. She caught finish. There's little eyebrow machen is sure Jacques there Caho Irritas a fought Aka. Conan Boren a Bullarai. Can't Butcher call Dolan or Irritol Vena Irritan Scotting call Dolan. Thora gan chunne or wulti den macht an Erichle Kildare an Canis Far all chun nach Clár well Bachtina Chassan Suas and Shin. Can't Butcher Jackson's boss. What's right Morris Curtin to the far for the Hooligan Interma. But I thought for Shinner the ball to Dave Lena score all again Morris Curtin. I thought she'd carry Hooligan Kane and Joe. And Washington Tussie recent shot. On Roher and Chop. Dermot Stritch Butchers close Dermot third way. Lashley Butza. Agus Buildup, Cathal Malone, Hustle Gloucester, St. Dermot, Street to Creachna. Buaicphointí and Trohanis, who's just a good Lord Tachtarish. Mark Rogers. Justice Boss and draw. Tony Kelly, which he fought a good Driador. Thaw. Kelly, vi a rí me gillis a goal. Fós such a daddy Carrara Treston. Omoni Ian Tuch Fad. Which is Justice Boss and Shelley Kildare reached. Just a couple leis. Down Richard to the pass got he got to move. What the rest of fitness. John Rory, Cathal Malone to go shot Glam, Cathal Malone out of Treston. Dara Cooley against the storm before that. That's it. Clár got to Kilkeen, we heard coming up. So looking at Clár in the east. Gentleman Justice Boss, Chantal Johnish, Jack O'Neill, Austin Cheddar goalie, has Jack O'Neill, there's Harrod Treston, and to come back Clárnish, Cooley in Fantossa and Chop, Captain near Mallery, Akka. Kildare Chatter East. The Fanach Lesh, he was all the Chenatipan Shemel Hole, which he fought at Tichin Sheen Chengotala, Pulbar Urgluna, and Kildare Gira. Mach pucks here, another thing on, Kelly was on, Ray Church out to Stach. There was Mantas Alord. Should have reached the Nisha. Sure, a lie or slitter, Mavi, just a puck here to give a hand. Jack Sheridan. Pucks here on. Jack Sheridan a crumma, Jack Sheridan a ball, Jack Sheridan a ball! On Willis Eric, Jack Sheridan, and Dara Cole, McFarren Austin. Agus you're not shaking shot. Buaicphointí Clár, Antas Pontus, and Kildare.
I think 27, was the 27 points we put up was pretty good scoring as well, but then there was probably plenty of things we need to work on. I suppose the 2 goals in the first half were avoidable, and we probably missed maybe 1 or 2 chances ourselves with bad handling errors. And but yeah, look, delighted with 2 points, but plenty to work on heading to Carlow next week now.
We're delighted with the performance. The lads put in a massive shift there for 75 minutes. You're playing a top class team in Clare. Obviously disappointed not to get something out in the end. I thought the performance was really good, but look, I suppose you're playing a such top quality side. They're going to punish you at different times, and look, they did that, but delighted with and proud of the performance.